Subaru's eyesight system includes two key lane assist features. Lane departure warning alerts you when your vehicle begins drifting out of its lane, while lane keep assist actively steers the vehicle back toward the lane center. There are three main methods to temporarily disable these features in your Subaru. Let's explore each method step by step. The first method uses your vehicle's multifunction display. Navigate to Settings, then Driver Assistance, then Eyesight. From there, you can toggle Lane Keep Assist or Lane Departure Warning to the off position. The second method involves using a physical button if your model is equipped with one. Some Subaru models have a dedicated LKA button on the steering wheel or dashboard. Simply press and hold this button for 2 to 3 seconds until the indicator light turns off. The third method uses the steering wheel controls that are standard on most Subaru models. You can also use the I Set button on your steering wheel to access the driver assistance menu. Use the arrow buttons to navigate to the lane assist settings and disable the features you don't want active. Here's what you'll see on your dashboard when the lane departure warning is active. When lane departure warning is active, you'll see this type of display on your dashboard showing a car drifting out of its lane. This visual indicator helps you understand when the system is monitoring your lane position. Remember, all these methods only disable the lane assist features temporarily. The settings will reset to their default active state the next time you start your vehicle. For permanent disabling of Subaru's lane assist features, more advanced methods are required beyond the temporary dashboard controls. The most reliable method for permanent disabling involves ECU programming performed by authorized Subaru dealerships. This process modifies the vehicle's software to disable lane assist features at the system level. Newer Subaru models offer advanced features including settings memory that retains your preferences between drive cycles and personalized driver profiles that allow different configurations for multiple drivers. Important considerations include potential impacts on insurance rates, as many insurers offer discounts for active safety features. Additionally, disabling these systems may affect liability determinations in accident scenarios. Safety experts recommend keeping lane assist systems active during highway driving and long-distance travel. However, temporary disabling may be appropriate in construction zones, areas with poor lane markings, or narrow rural roads. These systems have important limitations. Weather conditions like rain, snow, or fog can reduce effectiveness. Clear lane markings and minimum speeds are required for proper operation. Most importantly, these systems are designed to supplement, not replace, attentive driving. Remember that lane assist systems are driver aids designed to enhance safety, not autonomous driving solutions. Always maintain full attention and control of your vehicle, regardless of which features are enabled or disabled.